Hey, it's a little early in the season, quite cold out yet to have these up outside, but while we're recording this here in the warehouse of our building at Four Seasons Awning, just wanted to go over our freestanding pergola kits, kind of go over the different options and the sizes and whatnot. There's three different sizes. You have 12 by 12, 14 by 10, and this one here is what we call the Magnum, which is 15 by 15. Basically, you're going to have 2 by 8 perimeter framing on all three sizes, and then the Magnum is going to have a center support that's also a 2 by 8. And then this particular model here, the only size post that we offer is going to be 4 by 4 11 gauge, and the 12 by 12 and the 10 by 14. You can order these with a 3 by 3 11 gauge post as well. And they're all just going to go ahead and surface mount right to whatever platform or surface you're fastening these to. You'll probably want to check with your local building department and ordinance to see what's required. The structure itself is engineered for the wind loads here in the metro area. Our highest wind load is out in Golden, which is going to be 150 mile an hour, and it will sustain that. As far as the covering goes, you have three different options. What's shown right here now is with what we refer to are cable shades, and the cable shades are going to be something that's retractable. This feature here is actually the only feature that we have that is retractable. The other two options are going to be more of a seasonal application where it's installed in the spring and then you're going to remove it in the fall. None of the options should be left out in any type of a snow event. So anything, if you have the cover up and you know you're going to get either a early spring or late fall snowstorm, you're going to want to go ahead and take these down if you do have the covers up. So your other option is what we call shade sail, and you can attach these little brackets right here. They just screw right into the top of the post. The brackets will be shipped as well as the bolt that bolts it into the post, and then you can have the shade sail. The next option is going to be a perimeter shade, which is going to cover the entire opening. And that's going to have the head rod clamps with the head rod that's going to slide into the pocket. And there'll be more videos that you can look to see how each one of these covers is installed. And that will cover it from basically, like I said, the full footprint. There are multiple colors for the framework, and there are multiple colors for the fabric for all three. The fixed shade and the cable shades, that's a little bit different type of a fabric, but they are all permeable, so where everything will let water come through it. These are 100% shade only products. So the shade sail, it's a little bit different type of a fabric. It has a lot of elasticity in it, and it's designed to actually stretch. And the key to a shade sail is to get these stretched absolutely as tight as you can. So the other option that we can add to this, if you have one side or the other of your patio is on, if it faces west, you can add a drop shade, or what we refer to as a drop curtain. And this is just for the late afternoon sun. If you're sitting out on your patio and the sun's intense coming in through that west side of it, then you can sit there and drop this down, and it's just with a rope. Your darker colors, as you can see, are going to have an awful lot of visibility. Your lighter colors, you're not going to have near the visibility, and that is just from when you have direct sun on this. This is going to be sheer glare, and you will not be able to view through the fabric. Again, a darker color like this dark brown, black, even with direct sun on it, you're still going to have a pretty crystal view going through there. And this fabric is only letting in about 11% of the sun. So it's blocking roughly 89% of all sunlight coming through. So, and then after that sun goes up, or excuse me, the sun sets, you're just going to take this, you roll it up, and then use these tie down cleats. And then that's basically going to be protected until the next time you need to use this. So, and again, these are fantastic for shade only, quite a large area. Like I said, 15 by 15. And when you compare this structure, and I know everyone's looking at the price, you look at the size and the strength of what we're using in this, it is significantly different than what you're going to find out on any of the .coms or any other place that you can order these online. So right now we're offering free delivery in the Metro Denver area, and that does not include the installation. That's just all the parts, and we'll drop it off at your doorstep. If you have any questions, give us a call at 303-722-1200, or you can email us at info@4, and that's FOUR Seasons, which is plural, awning, AWNING.com. Thanks so much, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.